we're here at Little Creek. So you can see, yeah, Little Creek under a bridge, and we're Bridge Creek fishing for crappie. So what we're running today, I mean, it might change, but we are running a little crappie fly chartreuse. And yeah, I'm gonna get the chest mount on and we're gonna get fishing. Alright, all ready, and here we go. Ooh, this one's really good through the water. Come on. Oh, I see something. Saw something come up to it. Oh yeah, there's a little fishy down there. Chasing it. I love creek fishing. So fun. This thing really moves so good through the water. Oh, there's a crappie. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a crappie down there and it wants it. There's a crappie down there and it wants it. There's a crappie down there and it wants it. Oh man, we got a little bit of a tango through here. Don't know if it's that big of a... So you can hear a semi. Yeah, there's crappie down here. Like I made a video, I don't know, not a long time ago, but a week ago, and catching crappie down here. Oh, and there's one right there. Boom, we're on the board, baby. That's a nice one, actually. Oh, there we go. Guys, check her out. Hang on, let me lip her. Ooh, it's a black nose. As you can see, maybe you can see that line down her nose. Hang on, oh, can you see that? Golfed it thing right down the throat. We'll get back at you once we get this thing released. Well, we got a release on her, and we're gonna get back to fishing. Alrighty. Get a couple of these leaves off. Okay. Well, she really took this thing and mangled her. Hopefully we can still catch some fish with it. See that crappie I just released too. Oh yeah, she still moves good through the water. Alrighty, that was just a test. There we go. They're all along that, if you guys can see over there, along that tree. Right there. And yeah, we're gonna cast right to there. Hopefully get another one. This one just followed up to it and then just left it alone. That's what these crappie are like. There we go, that was perfect. Come on. There's a little crappie. Baby crappie. Just came up to it. There we go, that's a nice cast. Come on. Oh, there's a crappie. Oh, you missed it, buddy. Come on. Oh, I see it too. Oh, we're gonna try to catch him. I can still see him. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see him or not. I don't even know if you guys can really see the water too well, but he's right there. Oh, I just cast it perfect. Oh, there he is. There he is. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're a small crappie. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Oh, you picked it up, buddy. Or is that a bass? Oh, that's a bluegill. Never mind. You guys see that? No, probably not, honestly. Oh, we're stuck on some stuff down here. That's all right. Just take her off. Yeah, man, this is fun. Super incredibly peaceful out here. Come on, crappie, crappie, crappie. Come on, crap eyes. Oh, there we go. Little baby crappie. You see that? Oh, and he comes off the hook. You guys see that? Crappie. Insanely fun. This is so fun. Yeah, man. I didn't even see it down there either. Like, this water is incredibly clear. Did not even see that crappie come up and eat this. Actually, I saw it eat it. I did not see it follow it. Alrighty. I'll just throw her back out there. It's incredibly fun fishing in a creek for crappie. Oh, I just saw one miss it. Oh, no, I just ate it. Like, if you guys could see this, I don't know if you guys can see this, but they are really, really aggressive down here. See if we can get one more for the video. I'm gonna make a couple parts because we're having a good day so far. Oh, there's one. There we are. Alright, that's a little bit bigger than the other one. Last one. Alright guys, ready? Let's hope I can get the hook out better than the first one. That first one took a while to get it out. Oh boy. Oh, come on. Here, let's get the hook out first. Alrighty guys. Ooh. Crappie. So, he measured in about 7 inches, 7.5, so not bad. What are we at, 7? We can go for another one. Alright, I'll have to see how this chest mount's doing, because it's not the greatest, let me tell you that. So, I think the camera's picking up all the traffic sounds from above. Oh, crappie just ate it and spit it out. So, we'll catch one here, like maybe this cast. I think we'll catch one this cast. I'm pretty confident. Oh man, I don't think we'll get on this one, because one just jumped at it. Well, I wouldn't say jumped at it, but I'd say went for it, like they've been doing. Alrighty, here we go. Come on, crap eyes. There's a little minnow down there that just followed it. There we go. Oh, I felt pretty confident in that one. Oh, and we're on. Oh, that's a biggie. Oh, that's a big one. If I can land this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a big boy. Oh, baby. Here, let me pause this video quick. Yes, sir. Wow. That is a 10-incher. 10.5. Incredible for this little creek. Saw it. I saw it. That's a big boy. Oh, that's gonna end the video right here. What a way to end the video. What a video. new part will be coming out soon, so stay tuned. Peace.